Hello esteemed colleagues, in this instructional video we will explore how to operate with Seaman Composition section of the budget module. Budget module helps to plan expenses and Seaman Composition section shows details for every vessel and rank, allowing to prepare information for future calculation of expenses on budget planning stage. To begin, you will need to access Seaman Composition section. You can do it either from main page or from left side menu. Left side of the screen represents list of ranks, and main window shows details. Right top side shows how many crew members required on board and how many of them are currently on board. These numbers are being taken from crew module, and in this section you can define the salary, view crew members, define how many of them are required on board, but cannot assign them on board. For every rank, you can define required on board, value and duration of contract for selected rank. To do so, press Edit button, enter values, and press Save button. Every change in this section is being done through Edit and Save buttons. Also, you can delete record about the rank. To do so, press Edit button, then Delete button, and confirm. Below rank section you can define main salary, bonuses, and if union fees are applicable to this rank. To the right side from every rank on board, you can press Sign under Crew List column to view names of crew members already assigned on board. Hope this information was helpful. Subscribe to stay tuned and thanks for watching.